Hey Daily, so finally today this came, because I ordered it yesterday and it came today. I paid extra to get it here today. Actually, didn't pay extra. I got an allowance for it because the first one was so late and it wouldn't work. So this one they sent me like overnight type of thing, so that was kind of cool. So we're going to give it a whirl and open it up now and see if this one will work, because supposedly this one will work on the Mac. It says so right here, and the other one had much more features, but this one will have to do for streaming and all that. So let's open it up. Let's crack the tape on this and see what we got in here. Alright, so we got the instruction card, and we've got the little Flint, which isn't very big, and a USB cable and another adapter, it looks like, for it. So we'll give it a hook up and see if it all works. That's the unboxing of the Flint LX.